The YouTube Shorts game has changed in a big way with the release of the new 3-minute format, and now is the perfect time to hop on this trend. This is your chance to outshine even the biggest 1-minute shorts channels like Bible in a Nutshell, Living Wisdom, or Bolt Motivation, and earn millions of views and potentially thousands of dollars. In my previous videos, I have shown you all about scripting, editing, and even setting up a new 3-minute short YouTube channel. Now, I will give you the ultimate trick that can level up your content creating process. Stick around, because I'm going to break it all down for you with just 3 key aspects you need to focus on while creating 3-minute content. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal my secret tool that will streamline your creative process. Now let's get started. When you make 3-minute shorts, one of the most important aspects you need to pay close attention to is the script. It's the backbone of your content. But you have to work extra hard to come up with an engaging piece of content since the time has expanded. I have already made a video explaining everything in detail about scripting. You can check it out now to understand the blueprint for creating a perfect one. Now let's see what other aspects of the AI content creating process are. Once you've nailed down the script, it's time to think about visuals. Faceless YouTube channels rely heavily on visual storytelling. You may wonder how some creators manage to produce those stunning, scroll-stopping visuals. The secret is AI-powered image generators. With AI tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney, you don't need to be a designer or an illustrator. These platforms can generate high-quality images from simple text prompts, making it easy for anyone to create professional-looking videos. Let's try to make one on Leonardo AI. Once you enter the website, sign in to your account. Then, type in your image description. If you're making a YouTube 3-minute short about a cat story, you might enter something like a cat running in a park at sunrise with trees, grass, and a city skyline in the background. Leonardo AI will generate a high-quality visual based on this description. When it is generated, you can make adjustments by refining the prompt until you get what you want. And you're done. Now you can move on to the next step, which is to convert the still image to video. Just a couple of years ago, converting a still image to a video sounds pretty far-fetched, but now with the power of AI, it is possible. AI video generators can take your photos and automatically add transitions, animations, and effects to bring them to life. This helps create a more immersive viewing experience, even for a faceless channel. Luckily, I've rounded up the best options for converting images into high-quality videos, perfect for YouTube Shorts. After a while of trying and experimenting, Kling, Helio, and Runway ML are my top choices for this task. They have such easy-to-use interfaces and deliver great results. The available effects, transitions, and animations allow you to make stunning visuals without having to know anything about editing. Sounds good, right? But that's not all. These platforms are simple and efficient, not gonna lie. Still, with the longer form content, it might be a problem when you keep having to jump from one tool to another to generate your material, but I have found the solution. It can help you from start to finish. Stay tuned to the later part of the video to find out. Now let's get back to the last thing that can help you win the shorts game, which is SEO or search engine optimization. If you want your 3-minute shorts to stand out in the sea of content, SEO is essential. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, of course, and it's all about keywords, tags, and engagement metrics. The better optimized your video is, the higher it ranks and the more likely it is to be discovered by the right audience. That's where AI-based tools come in handy. They help you find the right keywords, optimize your video descriptions, and make sure you're using the best tags to reach your target audience. Most YouTubers use vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I recommend you use both, as each tool offers unique features that complement the other. vidIQ's detailed SEO score and competitor analysis can give you a solid foundation, while TubeBuddy's publishing insights and thumbnail generator help you polish your content to perfection. What's the matter? Still don't believe this to be true? That you can make incredible 3-minute videos using only AI tools? Let me show you this. Have you ever heard of Noodle Man? Yes, the Instagram reels that have gone insanely viral lately. Hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. All of them are created using just 2 AI generators, Leonardo AI and Luma Dream Machine. The way they were created is a lot simpler than you think. First, go to Luma Dream Machine. All you need to do is sign in, choose your account, and wait some time. As you can see, there is only a prompt bar at the center of the screen. Now you can type any sentence to materialize your wish. Hit enter and wait until you get the result. This would cost you about 4 to 5 minutes, so be patient. Here you are. A video is about to be downloaded, but there are still unreal animations. Don't worry, you can hit extend to fix any detail that you want. I feel that the man is running way too fast, so I type the man runs slower. It goes better. You can download the video to your device. Simple, easy to make, no wonder AI videos are taking over the internet. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. Remember when I said that I would reveal my secret tool that can take care of everything from start to finish? 3-minute time won't be a problem once you know how to use this power tool. Let me introduce you to SmartShort AI. SmartShort AI is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify the video production process. It allows users to generate professional-grade videos by automating tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video style selection, and footage generation. So basically, you can perform every step of the content creation process with this tool, meaning it will save you lots of time and effort while delivering amazing results. Search for SmartShort AI in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to create an account. To keep things simple, you can sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now we're ready to start creating your first video. A compelling script is the foundation of any great video, and SmartShort AI makes it easy. From the dashboard, you can enter a prompt to generate a script or upload an existing one. Let's assume you're generating a script using a prompt. Type in a title or short description of your video. Notice that it should be less than 2,000 characters. Therefore, you should shrink the length of the script like what I'm doing now. If your script is too long, you can generate 2 videos. It's a small inconvenience that I noticed while using this tool. Let's go back to the generating process. Now that your script is ready, it's time to add a voiceover to bring your video to life. SmartShort AI offers a variety of voice options to suit the tone and style of your video. You can choose between male or female voices, as well as various accents and tones. Before selecting a voice, you can preview each one by clicking on the speaker icon next to the voice options. This helps ensure the voice fits the theme and mood of your video. Click next to apply it to your video. With your voiceover ready, it's time to choose the style of your video. You have several options of styles to choose from, such as cinematic, realistic, or even animated styles. Choose a style that best matches the tone of your video. The platform also allows you to adjust the duration of each visual clip. By default, it's set to 2.5 seconds per clip, but you can reduce it to 2 seconds for a snappier pace. You can do the same for the voice. I will set it like this. Okay, the settings are done. It's time to generate your video. Click the Start button and the tool will begin processing your video. Depending on the length and complexity of the content, it may take a few moments to complete. When the video is ready, you can preview it to see how your script, voiceover, and visuals come together. SmartShort AI makes it easy to customize your video even after it's been generated. Start with the footage. If you are not satisfied with it, you can change it as you like. Each sentence in your script is paired with a specific piece of image. To change it, simply click on Update. Modify the prompt that was used to generate the visual, and SmartShort will create a new one for you. You can also upload your own images or video clips if you have something specific in mind. Now comes the voice. You can skip this part if you want, or you can switch between voices if your video has multiple characters. Here you can edit the captions. By default, the words might appear in the center of the screen, but you can easily move them to the bottom or wherever you prefer. Want to change the effects? No problem. Just head to the Transitions section and pick a style that fits your video. You can also make it more fun by adding emojis, changing the font color, or adjusting text alignment. Worried that the video might be a little bland? Add some background music. The platform offers a selection of music tracks to choose from, or you can upload your own custom track. Now let's see the final results.
Once upon a time, in a sunny little house, lived a big fluffy ginger cat named Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Whiskers was a happy, lazy cat who loved nothing more than lying in the sun and eating snacks all day. But today wasn't a lazy day.
When everything is ready, all you need to do is hit download and you are all set. One thing you need to keep in mind is that this AI video generator is not free, unfortunately. But the good news is that it's quite affordable. With $19 to $69 a month, you can generate up to 100 shorts. Also, you just need this one tool only to do all the work, instead of buying multiple software that serves each task in the creating process. I'd say it's a good deal, especially for a lone content creator. That's a wrap for today. With everything I have shown you in the last 5 videos, you can now create your own 3-minute videos and gain hundreds of thousands of views. Try to build a YouTube channel now. You might be the next big creator on the platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. See you next time!